Today's people are like this. They spend as much time as possible on insignificant things. It is just like a young kid who can spend hours playing outside, but if you ask him to do homework or read books, even just for 1 hour, he complains, "I cannot do it anymore. Can I go outside a bit?" Similarly, ordinary people start to have all sorts of issues when they begin doing something meaningful. If the householders were asked to watch a 3-hour soap opera instead, I wonder whether they would feel tired at all. Of course, if the teaching goes on too long and you become impatient and really don't want to continue, you can always follow Khenpo Ngawang Pelzang's advice with regard to getting discouraged when listening to the teachings. If you feel hungry and thirsty during a teaching that goes on too long, or have to put up with discomfort from the sun and rain and so forth, there is a risk that you will want to leave the Dharma and the teacher. So before you accumulate the bad karma of giving up the Dharma, you should pray you will meet the teacher and receive teachings again, then leave the assembly.